Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. My name is Elric, and this is the intro video for the Microsoft Certification 70761 refresher preparation series. So this is just the intro video, and it's been a little over a week since I took and passed my 761. I took to Reddit, was like, hey, what's the interest in a series like this, just to get you prepped? And the response was pretty big, so being that I just took it, I decided to get on that and make this series. So this intro video is basically just, hey, this is how I'll be covering it, and what you need to do and what I expect of you, the viewer or user, or however you want to classify yourself as. So first thing, 2 links in the description. One for SQL Server 2016 Developers Edition, the other one for SSMS. Download both, install both on your machine, because I'm going to be giving you guys scripts to download in every single video to make sure that we're on the same page, so I'm not just like droning on and talking about it. And even going a step further is that in the descriptions, like I'll cover this in a moment, but in the description, I'm going to tediously create minute markers for these different sections, so it'll help with the boringness of these videos. I mean, for some people, 99% of this is going to be stuff that you already know, and that's the point of the refresher. Get it in your face, in the front of your head. So when you go in, it's all fresh. When you go in and take your test, it's all fresh. But I'm pretty sure, and I hope that every single video will have at least one item that you have not used, didn't think about, or learned from. And that makes that video a success to me, because I'm trying to reach a very diverse audience with this video, or this series. I'm hoping you, the viewer, has had at least a year of experience. I wouldn't suggest this exam for or to a new SQL developer, but you never know. People are talented and people are different, so have at it. If you feel confident enough, like going over these videos and all this stuff is repeat stuff, then you should go take it. Absolutely, just go and do it. Don't stress out. I stressed out horrendously. I have horrible test anxiety, but after taking the first one and passing it, I don't think I'll have that anxiety for the other ones now. But so about the videos in this series, what's going to happen, just like this video, you have 2 download links. This is for the actual, SQL Server and SSMS, but in the future videos, you'll have 2 download links, a create script and a tutorial scripts. Now the create scripts, you're going to want to run it to create the database, change the path as necessary, and basically I just supplied 2 table objects and gave them some rows, a scalar and a table returning function for the scripts themselves. So how I created these, especially, well, with die functions, drop if exists, even if you have them already created, you can just run them over and over. And this helps you and I remain on the same page for each video. So expect to see 2 downloads for every video, even if this is the same. Like, I may not edit the data for a couple of videos and then put more data in or add more objects in to help better explain as we progress. So that's basically it. That's all I wanted to cover. Shout out to RSQL, thanks again, and thanks again for everyone who has subscribed. And if you haven't, please do, because it helps. Please clap. I forgot to mention also, for each video, if you think that I did not cover something that's really important, comment, because if I don't plan on covering it in a future video, like, I'm not going to cover this section, I'll wait till the group by clause to get more into having or something like that. Do comment, because I will add your comments to the description to create that compilation or that centralized knowledge about this subject, and those subjects being the keywords that you see at the very top for each video. So thank you once again, and enjoy the series. You have a good one, and I'll see you next time.